Okay, Paul, what do you think about this system?
I'll be happy when it's at full capacity. But other than that, I love it.
What do you mean in a full
Compared to
capacity? Is it not in a full capacity yet?
No, not quite.
Not quite.
Compared to the fact I only had not quite a kilowatt, and now I've got 11, I'm pretty impressed.
Okay. Phil, you like this system, yeah? Do you?
It's a very compact system. It's got
We can.
so in the Ingeteam inverter you've got
You move there. Yeah.
in the Ingeteam inverter you've got the PV array maximum power point tracking regulator. You've got remote system monitoring, and you've got battery charging from the generator, and also you've got a 6 kilowatt inverter. So in one small package, you've got a lot of capacity there.